We are expecting a ceremony to begin here in my background. As you can see, senior dignitaries of the Maharashtra government are already here. This is of course in memory of all those police officers who laid down their lives 3 years back, 26/11/2008, the horrific incident that happened. But of course the big question that we are asking, a lot of people do ask this question, all those people who lost many people in the 26/11 attack, is this mere tokenism? Will the state government do anything more than this? Are steps being taken to secure Mumbai? That is of course the big debate that has been raging on for the past 3 years. And many people feel that true justice or true honor shall not in fact be given to all those people who lost their lives till the time these efforts are in fact taken. But cut to the other side of the story. Just 10 minutes back we saw S.M. Krishna, the Indian Foreign Minister, hold a press conference where he used very harsh terms against Pakistan, saying that using of terror as an instrument of state policy is self-destructive. Is Pakistan actually, according to India, in self-destructive mode? This presentation that we get you now is of the Interior Minister of Pakistan, who 3 years back from a stage of denial to acceptance seems to have slipped back into the stage of denial, where he completely refuses to believe that Jamaat-ud-Dawa does anything wrong.
An attack frozen in time that jolted the conscience of India. But even 3 years after the attack, nothing seems to have changed in Pakistan. With the perpetrators still enjoying a free run. Jamaat-ud-Dawa warning Pakistan's leaders against awarding India the status of the most favored nation.
हम इस मुल्क को खड़ा कर रहे हैं, पूरा मुल्क खड़ा होगा, फैसला रिवर्स नहीं होगा तो फैसला करने वाले इंशाअल्लाह उस पूरी तरह रिवर्स होंगे कि निशाने इबरत बनेंगे.
But even as the threat for Pakistan's civilian leadership is unmistakable, Pakistan's Interior Minister conveniently claims ignorance.
I have not seen his fiery speech for many months, but if there is any on your notice, please do let me know.
But this anti-India rhetoric is not the only one. Within 24 hours of the rally in Lahore, hundreds gathered in Muzaffarabad, determined to scuttle every peace move. But Rehman Malik may still demand evidence for something which is flashed across television screens.
Pakistan Interior Minister Rehman Malik's assurance to New Delhi of no Mumbai-like attack in the future came on the eve of 3rd 26/11 incident anniversary, despite Jamaat-ud-Dawa's consecutive 2 days anti-India rallies.
The question is, can Pakistan continue to feign ignorance, look the other way in the face of solid proof and surrender to the threats of the venom-spewing extremists? Bureau Report, Times Now.